Hi, fourth graders. Please get out your science packet, and we are going to do this one page on bird migration. And then when you are done filling in the blanks on this page, I'm going to have you go to a different video to watch the migratory birds video, and then you will go and fill out the Google Forms. So the order you're going to need to do this is you're going to need to do this video first to get kind of a little bit of background knowledge, and then you'll go to the other YouTube video that is linked, and then finally you will go on to the Google Forms. And on the Google Form, you're going to be answering 3 questions that are multiple choice, and then the 4th question is a short answer question. That's where you're going to type one interesting or important fact that you learned while watching the other video, not this video with me, but the the Bionics video that you'll be watching after this one. So you're going to open up to the page that says bird migration, and you can see this bird right here on the page. You're going to start filling in the blanks. So the first bulleted point is you're going to write the whole thing. So many birds migrate to environments where there is food and a good climate. So there are many reasons why birds migrate, and you're going to see in the other video that there are lots of reasons, but one of the main reasons why birds migrate is because they need to go to an environment that has a climate that they can survive in, and within that climate there is food for them to find. If you think about up here where we live, in the wintertime it's very cold. Some birds cannot survive in this temperature. Some birds do, but some birds cannot. So the birds that cannot survive up here have to travel, they have to migrate to a different climate. And also, because it gets colder, the food supply is very small. It's super, like, it shrinks right down to nothing. So they also need to go where there's food, because food is survival, right? And we've learned that just by, we already know that, but reading our book Hatchet, we've seen that, right? That Brian has, for his survival, food is everything. So birds is the same thing. Some birds, not all birds, because you do see some birds still up here in the wintertime. They are adapted to live up here and find food up here. But some birds are not. So their adaptation is to migrate. And that's an instinct. Remember, that's an internal knowledge to do it. No other bird has taught them or shown them how to migrate or where to go. They just know. It's something inside them that they're born with, knowing how and when and where to migrate. And our second bulleted point is one example of a bird that migrates is the pectoral sandpiper. And this bird travels from northern Canada to southern South America each fall. These birds return to Canada in the spring when the weather in Canada warms up. Please make sure you capitalize the C in Canada and the S and the A in South America, because those are proper nouns. Those are names of countries. Well, South America is the name of a continent. So please make sure that you have those capital letters. So this bird, this pectoral sandpiper, it's one of the birds that cannot survive our cold winters up here in the north, in northern New York, in Canada. They're in northern Canada. They can't survive those cold temperatures in northern Canada, so they have to go to where it is warmer. South America is much warmer, and they go all the way to southern South America, so down even lower, right? So southern South America, and then once Canada starts to warm up in the springtime, they will be back. So they live in 2 different areas depending on the climate. So once you have all of that written in, then I'm going to have you go to the next video. There's a second video. You're going to watch that one with Bionics, and he is going to be talking about migratory birds, and then you will go on and do the Google form. Alrighty, thank you.